Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Whitestone Dome tempered glass screen protector for your Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, and S10E. Now you can pick these up on Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The price on these, $50. Now before you say $50, the price is too goddamn high, there's two things you got to remember. Number one, this is the best tempered glass screen protector for the Galaxy phones on the market. And number two, does this work with the on-screen fingerprint sensor? And the answer is yes. Now, if you watch my Galaxy S10 unboxing, I put one on live on my S10 Plus. And as you can see, bubble-free installation. And here's your fingerprint sensor. All right, so let's check these out. $50. Now, for today, I'm going to install one on the Galaxy S10. Okay, $50. You get full touch, full cover, and full clear. Now, on a side note, shout out to White Shoes. She got the day off. All right, so here we go. Let me show you what you get in the box. Okay, a bunch of stuff. Get your usual books and shit. Plug them and file them. You're not going to need to read those because I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do. Now, you get some dust removal tape. You're going to need this. You get a bunch of wet wipes. You're going to need those too. And microfiber cleaning cloths. Now, keep in mind, this is a pack of 2. All right, so you get 2 tempered glass screen protectors, just in case you make a mistake, which you might. You got another one on deck. Here's your UV light. You're going to need this to cure the screen protector. You're going to need this little hinge. You're going to need the speaker covers. And you get 3 bottles of adhesive. This is going to be your tray. And your 2 tempered glass screen protectors. Now, let's get started. All right, one more thing before I get started. If you watch my Galaxy Note 9 Whitestone video, I installed it perfectly and I made it look super easy, which it is. But here's the thing. When you're installing this screen protector, keep one word in the back of your mind, patience. You gotta have patience for this. Now let me give you some advice. Here's what you want to do. Make sure you have a flat surface. That's number 1. Number 2, make sure you got a few minutes to kill. Don't do this in a rush. Take your time. And number 3, if you got a cat or a dog, get them out the way. Cat hairs, dog hairs, that'll kill this install. The key word on this video is patience. Let's go. All right, now this install is the same for the Galaxy S10, S10E, or S10 Plus. First thing you want to do, power off your phone's display. This way you have a black screen, you can see everything nice and clear. Next, grab one of these wet wipes and wipe down the front of your display. Get it nice and moist. Giggity. Now, like I said, patience is the key. Take your time. Get all that dust and debris out of there. Next, grab one of these microfiber cleaning cloths and wipe everything down. Make sure there's no dirt, no debris, no hairs, nothing that you don't want to see on your display. Now, if you look at the tray, on the top, one side is labeled speaker. Y'all probably can't see that, but at the top of this, it says speaker. So you're going to put your phone in with the speaker toward the top and continue wiping it down. Now, I'm doing this from behind the camera, but I'm going to try to do it as good as I can. Okay. Next, you're going to look for this little speaker tape. All right. This is going to keep the glue from going in your speaker. So you're going to see at the top, there's your speaker. Just put it right at the top very gently and cover up your speaker. Just like that. Now, every time you make a different movement, grab that cleaning cloth and make sure you got no dust or no dirt. Okay, because once you put the screen protector on, it's on. Next, now here's the difference between the last version and this version. Now these foam pads are already installed. So all you got to do, slap the phone right on just like that. Now if you notice, I just got a little hair. Like I said, patience is the key. Take your time. I'm going to take this off again. Make sure I get that little hair out of there. Let's wipe it down one more time. I'll probably put some relaxing music on at the same time. because y'all don't need to hear me stress breathing. Okay, just like that. Then you're going to slap the top layer on. Now I see a little bit of hair, a little bit of bubbles, a little bit of hairs. This is the tedious part. Next, grab this little bridge. You're going to slap this on just like that. And look for that little plastic piece. We're going to slap it in. Now you're going to grab this bottle of adhesive. Now, on a side note, this time I'm not going to do a whole bunch of editing because I don't want y'all to think I'm doing magic tricks. So bear with me. This is the part, the colorful part, that's going to go in that little slot. So you just unscrew this. Just like that. Drop it in. Now, I can't stress this enough. Make sure you got a flat, level surface. Now, I'm doing this for the video, but if you really want to do it the right way, before you even did all of this stuff, take this dust removal tape and just use it to get any last bit of particles out of the way. And let me just make sure I got anything. Make sure you get any bit of particles that you don't want to live with on your screen. That looks pretty good. Now, watch this. I'll try to turn it sideways. Unscrew the adhesive. And it's going to drip out just like that. Now let it drip all the way out. Okay? I know, I got to be quiet. Now here's what you want to do next. Now you're going to lift this up very gently. You should have a nice bubble right in the middle of your screen. A nice bubble of liquid. Now watch this. I want to turn this gently for the camera. That bubble, you want to keep it as one unit. Now you want to tilt the bottom and move that bubble to the middle of your display. Don't do it too fast. Don't do it too slow. Try to get it right in the middle. Just like that. Now remember, you got 2 glass screen protectors, so you can make a mistake if you want. But I suggest try to do it right the first time. So you're going to take off the screen protector. Make sure you see that hole for your pinhole camera. Make sure that line up to the front. And I just noticed I see a little piece of debris. Let's see if I can ninja that debris out of there. Okay, got it. Now, for the screen protector, you're going to peel off. Peel it off. And you want to slide this in from the bottom first. Okay? Now, you see the bubbles in the middle? It's running. Don't let it run yet. Take that piece off the top. And just let it marinate. Now, you got to let it marinate. Now, here's where the patience comes into play. You're tempted to take a cloth or something and try to work it down. Don't do that. All right, don't do that. Let it marinate. Take your time. Throw on some slow music right now. Just chill out. Check your Instagram DMs. Do what you do. But if you notice, it's working its way down all by itself. Okay? So now we're going to sit here and let this do its thing. Now, if you notice, it's almost there. Look at the bottom. There's a little bit left. Just chill out. All right, so I'm going to pause the video because this might take a few minutes. But you see that little piece on the bottom? Don't touch it. Don't touch it. Just let everything sit just like this. All right, so the next thing you want to do is grab your UV light, plug it into a USB charger. Unfold the stands on the bottom. Just put it right over the phone and hit the button. This is called the curing process. Now you want to cure it for about a minute apiece. So I'm going to do a minute on the bottom, minute in the middle, and a minute in the top. So after 1 minute, I'll move it to the middle, move it to the top. All right, so let that rock out. All right, so that was the bottom. Let's do the middle, hit the button. Now this will automatically turn off. So you don't need a stopwatch. Just let it rock until it turns off. All right, so now that it's finished curing, we're just gonna lift this up. Just gonna peel that little stick off, and you're gonna pop your phone out. And look at this. Bubble-free installation. Now here's the important thing you wanna do. You're gonna power your phone back up. You're gonna go to your biometric settings and delete all your fingerprints and reinstall them again. So let's do that now. All right, once you got your fingerprint sensors re-registered, you're good to go. No problems. Works with the screen off too. See the little fingerprint light up? You're good to go. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a major, major, major go. Bubble-free installation, worth every penny. All right, one more thing. Now, if you're not happy with the install or you just want to get rid of it, it's actually not that hard to take off. So you're just going to peel it up from the corner and do it slow because this is glass. It will break. You see? It will break and it'll shatter into a whole bunch of pieces. But if you do it slow, you'll be able to peel it off. Just like that. Now you're just going to keep peeling it off. All right, so here's how your display is going to look once you peel off the screen protector. Factory brand new. Now this is perfect for if you're getting ready to sell your phone and you want it to look brand new. Now it's back to looking brand new. Now somebody asked me, do these screen protectors work with cases? And the answer is yes. Now I got this installed on my Galaxy S10 Plus. Here's the Neo Hybrid. No problems. All right, one more thing. Now, Sunday night, I'm doing a 1 million subscriber appreciation live stream, and I'm giving away 9 of these tempered glass screen protectors. 3 for the Galaxy S10E, 3 for the Galaxy S10, and 3 for the Galaxy S10 Plus. I'm also giving away a pair of Galaxy Buds and a couple of other mystery prizes. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know if y'all got any questions, and I'll see y'all on Sunday night. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter, that's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I'll see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, one to beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Huawei MateBook X Pro.